This episode of the Bula van tour. Good food, even better friends, fantastic waves, and one busted up van. But first...
Det er ikke noe varme, blåser rett igjennom her. Godt. Og teipe igjen alt som av lufting.
It was freezing cold, the Bula van was made for summer. Measures had to be taken.
Det så kaldt at teipen sitter ikke. Jeg må varme opp teipen. Fy faen, det kaldt ennå, altså.
Det må ta til takke med den her da. En sokk og litt sånn legesprit. Så får vi se om ikke alt da funker. Akkurat skrap på bilen, men nå hjelper ikke så mye når bilen negativ, minus negativ. Ja. Det blir pluss da, ja. All that was left to do was fill gas and roll out. And that's when we noticed the massive oil leak spewing out of the car. Choice had to be made. Det må jo bare komme seg over det. Ja. Men det går ikke med dette her da. Men jeg skal bare kjøre den tilbake til meg nå, så tar vi min bil, så kjører vi.
Digg da. Slipper vi å fryse.
Ja, men vi kommer oss til Stadt, vi får surfe, så det er good times. Da er vi kommet på veien, byttet bil, samme merke, litt nyere modell, ikke så fresh dessverre, men vi er nå på vei. Alright, we made it to Stadlandet and Mats Jonsson's farm. A man with a lot of projects. Now, Mats and Jarle are gonna set up camp for us down by the beach. And take us surfing tomorrow. Because we had some problems with the van this morning, instead of doing Bula van tour, we're doing Bula track tour. Woo! Down we go! We made our way to the beach and finally met up with our Swedish surf brothers. Ja, nice. While Jarle set up our Hang Planet base camp by the beach, Mats rolled out his Stadt Kystmat food cart and served us an amazing dinner.
Nå mekker vi litt experience til gutta boys. Vi skal surfe hele dagen og trenger ordentlig med grisefett inn I systemet, sånn at det masse energi.
We traveled all day today, come here, had a surf, went for a bit of a hike, and then you guys rock up and you cook this. Yeah, pretty good.
So good.
Ja, fy fan så gott det var.
Tack som fan.
After that, we just threw in the towel and got ready to catch some waves early in the morning.
Here we go. Let's go.
What a view to wake up to, huh? It's pretty good. Just having some breakfast here, looking at, checking out the waves, and then in just a little while we're gonna head out and go for a surf.
Go right now.
Right now.
Let's go right now.
It's on.
Firing! Woo! Let's go!
They ask where I'm at, tell them I'm right here. I stand beside a giant that besides no fear. Oh no, I never ride so low. I hear them cry, hold on, we gon' fly. Aye, 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 aye. On cloud now, we go so high. Can't bring us down, we so fly. Hold on, I know it won't be long until we see his face. It was well worth the wait when we meet him in the sky.
This morning session, it was sick. It's really fun. Good waves. Not a lot of people, just us basically. Us four, rights and lefts, all over the place. Sick. After checking out some of the footage the film team caught, we were fed an amazing lunch by Mats. Back at the base camps, the waves and the evening sun amazed us. They were calling us back out. We gotta go!
Let's go, boys! Go!
I just got my ass kicked really hard. But it's the best ass whooping I ever had. Good times.
God, I had to save this guy. He lost his board. But it was big out there. There's a few sets and probably the biggest I've seen in this place. So it was fun to get out there. Just feel the power.
Fresh.
After an epic session and even more good food from Mats,
Oh.
it was time for some R&R at the base camp before bed.
No, it was a really great day. It was so fun to be back in the water again. Fun to surf with these guys, the Bula team.
We're sleeping in good tents, right in front of the ocean. We have fun waves and we got awesome food. Yeah. That's actually a pretty good surf trip right there.
It's a good setup.
Sleep well, Klaus?
Yeah, had an amazing sleep. Look at this. I'm in the big boy tent. Got the gas oven here. got my bed right there. And that's pretty good, right? And that view.
It was a pretty bad night. I'm sleeping on the board bag. I'm sleeping on my travel bag. Everyone's got this. I'm sleeping on this. Kind of cold, kind of hard, kind of tiring. But it's time to surf, I guess.
Today we're gonna go back out. It looks a bit smaller, which is good. A little bit better as well. So, as soon as the guys wake up, we're gonna head out, I think. Yeah.
Crowded, og så stikker jeg hjem igjen.
Looking like a wet suit in the morning.
First surf of the day. It's 6:45 in the morning.
I november. Jeg har det første skiltet hjemme hengende hjemme.
Fucking early.
For lunch, we mixed it up and headed over to Matt's place for some tacos. PJ showed up, a bit bummed out that his piece of art couldn't make it on this trip.
I really wanted to get the Hunnålvatn shot driving down there.
That was the plan.
Yeah. Guys are here, just had some tacos. Had some surf earlier, about to get some more surf. That's the word.
We headed back to the beach for some more mayhem on the waves.
Afterwards, we just had a chill evening at the base camp with dinner and good company.
Choke it!
What you eating, brother?
Befriendang, Balinese food. Yeah, in front of a stove. Hot. Extra pedas in life. Spicy waves, spicy food.
Yeah.
It doesn't look the nicest, but it tastes the best.
What kind of luxury doesn't exist on a Bula gutta.
The last day in Stadlandet. In a bit we would all go our separate ways again. Nothing lasts forever.
We're on our last day surfing, and we're gonna clear camp and get one more session in before we head home.
Stadlandet er helt fantastisk. Det er et sted du kan gå på veggen, og det er et sted du kan finne deg selv.
The waves were really good. We were really lucky with the swell.
I've been coming back and forth to Stadlandet for the past 10 years. I haven't really had the best experience when it comes to wave-wise. This trip kind of changed it all.
So it was a fucking sick trip, if you ask me. Perfect.
A good life for me is being away from the big city as much as possible.
Det å komme til et sted som dette her.
Just hanging out with good people and doing the things I love, like surfing, skiing, snowboarding.
Living the good life, it's right here. This is what it is. I mean, what else can you want, you know? Beautiful nature, beautiful beaches, good crew. That's a Bula good life to me.